Hi guys, good afternoon to all. Today we will discuss some basic commands which would be very helpful for a network engineer. So let us go to the class. I open GNS3 workspace where we added some devices like router, PC, and a switch also. You can see here it's a layer 3 switches. So let me show you what and all configuration we are going to do here and what are all commands we are discussing here. Okay, let me start that. Let me open pen tool, Epic Pen. So here the commands which we would explain in this video is the first command is ipconfig slash all. The first one. The second command is ping. I will explain everything in detail. Third one, show MAC address table. Fourth one, NS lookup. And fifth one, trace search or trace route. So these are the five basic commands, and it would be a most useful commands for a network engineer to troubleshoot the issues. So let us start all the devices here. So let me hide this. So I started already. So you can see here PC1, PC2, and I would give IP address. I will show you. For this PC, I'll give IP as 10.1.1.1. Second PC, I would give 10.1.1.2. Third PC, I will give 10.1.1.3. And we have a gateway also. So I'll make this router as a DNS server also. So you can see that. And I would give the IP as 10.1.1.100. Okay. So let's start this device. PC1. So we can check whether there is an existing IP or not. There is no IP. You can see that IP address is 0000. So I'll give the IP as 10.1.1.1/24, or we can mention the subnet mask also, and space default gateway as 10.1.1.100. And it will check the duplicate IP whether there is any duplicate IP exist or not. So I gave the IP address and I'll give the DNS IP also. I'll make the router as a DNS server. So IP DNS 10 dot same gateway 100. So I gave the DNS also. You can see that show IP. See DNS server IP, gateway IP, and the PC IP. Next thing, go to second PC, open it, and type IP 10.1.1.2/24 space default gateway 10.1.100. Enter. Again, give the DNS server IP 10.1.1.100. Show IP. See, it's okay. The next one, it's a Windows 7 PC. This one virtual PC. This is, you can see, it would like a same real PC. You can see that. I would open this. See, and I'll give the password 123. I'll give IP address for this PC as 10.1.1.3. You can see, go to control panel and network and sharing center. Click on change adapter setting. Right click here. In a real life also, this is the step to configure the IP address. Double click IPv4. Okay. See, I gave that IP address 10.1.1.3, then subnet mask, then I make this like not class A, this is class C. I make it like that. Okay. And default gateway 1.100 and DNS server also 1.100. So now we go to the switch. Switch. Check show IP interface brief. You can see the status of the port. Our port is up only. Then show MAC address. This is the command I told you at the beginning. Show MAC address table. It will show all the devices which is connected to this switch. See, in this port there is one device. 0 bar 1 there is one device. 0 bar 3 there is another device. See, we have three devices, right? So it's already shown in the I will show you that. Okay. Then let me do one thing. 1 second. Ping 10.1.1.100. Let me ping that it's a gateway address. Oh, sorry. Because I didn't configure router here. So let me configure this interface also. Config T interface F010 IP address 10.1.1.100 space 255.255.255.0. No shut. It would be up and active. And I'll make this router as a DNS server also, IP DNS server. Just use this command to make this device as a DNS server, and I'll create one loop back, and I will give the IP address 8.8.8.8 space 255.255.255.255 and IP DNS host www.google.com space IP of what happened? Wait, 8.8.8. Okay. So let me go to switch again. Switch. I'll ping 10.1.1. It's pinging, right? So here, see, you can see three devices connected at this switch, right? So this is the command to check what and all devices are connected to the port. Can see here. E0 bar 2. 0 bar 0. EC2. So ping 10.1.1.1. See, four devices are connected, right? So all the devices which has connected to this particular switch is showing here. If we use the command show MAC address table, so this is one of the useful command to check whether what and all devices are connected to this particular switch. See, suppose uh, if we remove a particular cable, see, suppose I delete this cable. Now check. Yeah, will update and clear MAC address. Um, No, one device came. Um, I'll show you that I'll send a packet. Mhm. I'll send a packet again. It's not pinging. And 10.1.3, I'll send again. And 10.1.4, no, 100, swinging. S- 10.1.1, 1.3. So see, it's connected, but you cannot see that the 10.1.PC1 MAC address here. Before you can see here, I will show you that when see, 4 MAC address was here, right? So this one was 0 bar 0. Right now 0 bar 0 is not here because we removed the cable, so it's not showing. So we can, this command show MAC address table is used to check what are all devices are active in the network, or uh, which device is having problem, or see, if I check this table, I can realize that the PC1 is having some issue, or the connectivity from PC1 to switch is having some problem, so that we can solve the issue. So this is one of the uh, a useful command for a network engineer. So the next one, I'll show you the next command. See here, CMD. I will type CMD. Then I will check IP config slash all. So when you enter this command, when you type and enter, you will see all the information about your network. See, the IP address is 10.1.1.3 and subnet mask. Default gateway is 1.100. You can see here DNS server 1.100. This is the command to check the network information or IP address information of your network. So by looking this, we can realize that the IP address which you give for this particular network is 10.1.1.series. So the next command is ping. I can see here. See, ping. The first one we explained, the next one ping. And third one also we explained, right? So ping, you can check the connected. Ping is used to check the connectivity between the devices. Sorry. Ping 10.1.1.1 already removed. 2. See, it's pinging. So connectivity, there is no problem with 10.1.1.1, 2, sorry. There is no problem between 10.1.1.2 and 3. But when we check ping 10.1.1.1, it's not pinging. It's showing that destination host unreachable. That means there is some problem between these devices. See, here we don't have cable, right? So, sorry. So, from here to here, there is issue. So cable issue is there. That's why it's not pinging. So this is the command to test the connectivity, ping. And the next one is see, I make the router as a DNS server also, right? So when I ping www.google.com, you will get the reply. See, reply is coming. The next command is NS lookup to find the IP address of Google. You can see google.com. It will resolve. It is used to resolve the DNS queries. NS lookup, sorry. NS lookup. See, IP address is 8.8.8.8. Then the last command which is used, which can be used for a network engineer, or which can be very helpful for a network engineer, is traceroute. We can traceroute the command www dot c. It will show the uh, packet flow of how the packet is going. So in PC it is a traceroute, and in routers or in switch it would be like traceroute. So these are the commands which would be very helpful for a network engineer. You can see that 5 command here. Okay.